Is it going? Is it going?
Yes.
This weather's getting crazy.
Sunday evening, on my way to a new spot that I baited on Friday evening. Well, hopefully that's kind of helped establish that one little spot as a feeding area. I left all my overnight stuff in Arizona, basically just knowing with a new baby and this RV lifestyle that we're living, I needed to minimize weight, and I probably wasn't going to have much time anyway. I didn't really want to just go leaving my wife to take care of our baby and whatnot, but they're going to come out in the morning. She didn't want to go tent camp with me, so that's understandable. So she's coming out in the morning with the baby, and they're going to spend all day out there, and then depending on how the fishing's going, we're either going to all go home tomorrow evening, or maybe I'll stay one more night if the night's bite time and there's some more quality fish, or if I'm just feeling like it. So fingers crossed we get something special. So when I came to pre-bait here, there was all these deer in this field, which they're back. Took another little clip of them, but it's also full of antelope. And this looks like a decent buck, maybe. What I've seen in these areas of Montana, especially where there's some fields, it is crazy. There's so many deer and antelope. I had to have seen 50 antelope and at least that many deer on this trip to the lake, and they are just everywhere, whitetail and mule deer. And I've seen some really nice bucks just today. It's pretty crazy. Okay, it's the morning. Had like 6 fish overnight. They were pretty small starting off, so I did the whole bigger baits thing, and they didn't get any bigger. So I'm trying some different tactics, not fishing the baited area, just kind of casting it, showing fish type of thing. See what happens.
Forrest and I just got here. We just met up with Dad. We drove out this morning and parked my car over at the beginning of the lake, and then we got in the truck with Dad and drove over here to where he thinks is going to be a little bit of a better spot for fishing. We could see a bunch of fish from here on the road, so we're hopeful that he'll be able to catch some good ones. Forrest and I are going to do some swimming. We're going to hang out and have fun. expecting a little bit of rain, so we built a little tarp shelter over there. We're also trying to get Forrest to take a nap, but it's not going so well. He doesn't like to nap outside of his routine, so he's in his bassinet. We're kind of covering his face so that it's dark. We have white noise playing, but I don't know how well it's going. Caught one fish. It was a little one, maybe like 4 pounds. And we're hoping to pick up a few more fish.
You're pulling it in like it's a sea monster. Oh, we got some lightning in the background. He is ridiculous. He insisted to come over here and chew on the railing of the chair, or the whatever you call that. Here, come on. Oh. It's looking like we're gonna have to hide out under the makeshift brawly. See, it's a little better. My rigs are all back at the truck. Good for you, buddy, but you wanted that bait.
So, we're gonna roll off the chair. Weather's getting really crazy. It's windy. It was raining. It's sprinkling a little. The weather's getting really crazy. We've got thunder. We've got lightning. We've got hurricane force winds. The animals are running for the hills and we need to go with them. Thanks for watching our video. Was that stupid?
I don't know.